Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So today is pretty windy and it's going to get really hot today, but I was out here walking my dogs and I wanted to just give you a quick look at this little, it's kind of like an oak grove. Like there's just a ton of oak trees. You know, it's not cleaned up yet. It's not part of the farm that's real cleaned up. There's a lot of brush and stuff, but it's really pretty. Sorry, it's so windy. I'll just let you take a look. My bulbs are still on the ground. So I decided to come inside to talk to you because it is horribly windy out and I don't have any mics or anything to like disrupt the wind. But I did have some Baptisia gifted to me, thanks Dee. So I don't have any phlox. And I was like, maybe phlox will come in another year, or I can do annual phlox this year and go ahead and put in an order now and do that in my annual garden next year. So no worries about that. But I don't have any Baptisia growing on the farm. So I was like, oh, sweet. She gifted me this. I will finish out that row with it. So I went ahead and put the seeds in the ground all the way to almost the end. I have 35 more holes to fill there at the end, but that's okay. I have other seeds. I went through all my seeds and organized them by month and picked out all the annuals that I can possibly get done this fall to try out. And then I'll also start some inside because I don't want to be left without any if they don't germinate. But yay, that's awesome. It's such a good feeling to be getting some of this in and done. I know it's kind of like, it was just a short little task. I don't have a ton of time to do it today, but I wanted to run out here and try to finish off that row, and I'm real close. 35 more holes. That won't take any time. So just doing as much as I can before the snow hits and before it's too cold to get out there. But I'd rather get these seeds in the ground because if I come out in the spring and everything is starting to bloom, like what a good thing to know. So anyway, I just wanted to update you on what I did today. I hope you have a great day.